Cool. So this is, I'm Chris McDowell. I'm from the Digital New Zealand group at National Library of New Zealand. We're an aggregation service. So we collect lots of different bits of content, metadata documents describing all sorts of New Zealand content, and bring it together into an API to make it easy to find, share and use. We've traditionally dealt with metadata that describes maps and photographs and manuscripts and audio clips and so on. But one of the things that we wanted to do was to link across different authority files, different contextual entities that are stored in the controlled vocabularies of all of the source institutions. So we've got an artist like Colin McCann at the Christchurch Art Gallery, at the Auckland Art Gallery, at Otago University Heritage, the University Library, and the Museum of New Zealand Te Papa. And each one of these describe Colin McCann in slightly different ways. So what we've been doing is we've been doing some linked data work. We're going to be launching our beta API, hopefully at the end of this week, with some blog posts and documentation around it. But I just wanted to talk about how we're doing the matching. So everything's been automated at the moment. We've been using phonetic algorithms in order to find similar names. So phonetic algorithms are totally awesome and amazing, and I might talk about them tomorrow if anyone's interested in it. But it's a way of really quickly generating sound-alike tokens for particular names. They tend to be language specific. Most of the names that we deal with tend to be English, but even then we're finding they're actually working quite well for non-English names. So we take these phonetic algorithms and we use those to do some fuzzy name matching, and then we do a bit of fuzzy date matching as well. So we pull across hundreds and hundreds of thousands of name authorities from different source institutions, and then we do this really loose initial match where we try and find all of the people who were born within this sort of similar time range, similar death range with similar fuzzy names, and then we do very fine precision scoring on that small subset. So from that, we've created a view of each one of these people, each one of these agents, using the Europeana data model, specifically in a JSON LD format. So this is what the simplest version of the API looks like. It's I've really sort of tried to emphasize readability. One thing I'm really looking forward to talking to you about this, Valentine, tomorrow is that we're using the reverse operator from within JSON LD. There's actually no functionality within EDM, as far as we can see, to link from a person across to the records that they created. So there's actually this lovely little reverse operator. So we're kind of like bootstrapping it on the back. So we'll see what Europeana think about that. We're also serializing it to lots of other linked data formats. So if you plug it into JSON LD Playground, you'll get it back as all these lovely quads, and it'll be available as part of our Supplejack open source package. And that's my time. So thank you.